heartbreak. But how you feeling about that result?
Definitely, we'll give it our heart, but we gave up a lot. We gave up our goal in extra. KC, go on and get the result that they needed, get the goal that they needed to get that plus same way. So definitely, I must say congrats to KC. They really fought hard and stick to their plan and work hard. Definitely right to the entire game. Duel them down 10-1 from the first half.
What you could have done differently, coach?
Well, I don't think I could have done anything else. I think we have thrown a lot at KC. We get an early goal in the first half, boom, the second half, we get the next one. But the players start to lapse. They start to lapse and expect people who played the third season for us at age 17 to step up and master the back line, and they fall short today. But definitely, we just have to move on again.
And we're looking forward towards the World Cup.
Well, we just have to play, we just have to play.
Our coach.